Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 2.6 question number 5, the last question of this exercise from your NCERT book. Now here also you have to find the product. Two numbers are there. The two multiplicants are with decimal values, decimal numbers. So how to do? When you are multiplying this, you write 316 0.2 into 316.8 316.8 into 0.2. You need to multiply all this. Now when you are multiplying this, then one thing you need to write here, how many places of decimals are there. Just write here, after one place the decimal is here, and here also after one place the decimal is here. If you add this, you will get 2, and these two places of decimal from the right side in the result you have to put the decimal number. Understood? Now multiply 2 8 is 16, 6 1 carry, 2 6 is 12, 1 3, 13 1 carry, 2 1 is 2, and 3 2 is 6. Now 6336. Now if you put after two places the decimal you have to be put. So the decimal will be here because from right side two places. So the result is 63.36. Understood? Now next question. Now in this question you have to multiply 11.2 into 0.15. So 11.2 and multiplication sign you write 0.15. So now as you have done in previous sum, how many places of decimals are there? Yes, 1. And how many places of decimal parts are there? 2. So when you add this, you will get 3. So 3 places of decimal you have to put from the right side. Now decimal position of the decimal is defined. Now you have to multiply without any decimal number. You just multiply it. 5 to the 10, 1 carry, 5 1 ja 5, 1 6, 5 1 ja 5 into 1 2 the 1, 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1. Now when you will add this 0, 8, 6, 1, then what will be the result? You have to put the decimal number up to 3 places. So 1, 2 and 3. So it will be here only after 3 places 1, 2, 3. So the decimal number is here. So the answer will be 1.68. Understood? Come to the next question. Though 0 was there, I have not multiplied it because you know that if you multiply 0 to the 0, 1 the 0, 1 the 0, you have to put 1 to multiply and all the zeros. Actually the result will be this only. That's why I have not multiplied. But if you want to multiply, you can do this also. Come to the next question. Question number 8, 10.05 into 1.05. Now here, as 0 is in between, so I need to multiply. It was in the left side, so that's why I have not multiplied and the result is same. But here the 0 is in between, so you have to multiply it. Now first you decide how many decimal numbers places are there. 2 places of decimal, and here also 2 places of decimal. In addition, you will get 4 places of decimal. So when you will give the answer, you have to place the decimal point from right side 4 places. Now multiply 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 5 zeros are 0, 5 tens are 5 ones are 5. So 5 tens are 50. Then into 0, 5 zeros are 0, 0 0 are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0. Next, if you multiply by 1, then 5, 1 is 5, 0 is 0, 0 is 0, 1 is 1. Now you add, it will be 5, 2, 5, 5, 0, 1. Now how many places of decimal you need to put now? 4 places of decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10.55 10 point after decimal will come from right side 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10.5525. This is the answer. Next sum. Next number is question number 9. 101.01 into 0.01. Arrange this. 101.01, 2 places of decimal. 0.01, it is also 2 places of decimal after point 2 decimal places. So when you add, you will get 4 places of decimal. In the result, you have to put the decimal after 4 digits from right side. Now multiply. 1 the 1, 0 the 0, 1 1. You are multiplying by 1, so all the numbers will be this: 1 1 the 1, 0 0, 1 1 the 1, 1 0 the 0, 1 1 the 1. If you want to multiply by 0, I am showing you what will be the result. Result will not change. So 0 the 0, 0 1 the 0, 0 0 the 0, 0 1 the 0, 0 0 the 0, 0 1 the 0. If you want to multiply by this also, the same result will come. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 places, so 5 zeros. Now you are getting the result 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Now after 4 places of decimal, so what you will do? 1 2 3 4, the point will come here from 4 places of decimal. So the result, the left side 0 has no value, you know. So the result answer is 1.0101. Okay, come to the next sum. Next sum is 100.01 into 1.1. All the multiplications are just showing you. You know multiplication, how to do multiplication, that's also you know. Here you are doing the multiplication by decimal numbers with a decimal number. So here only the concentration you need to put after multiplication where the decimal point will be placed. Now you write, and as it is 2 places of decimal, so you have written 2. If it is 1 places of decimal, you have 1 place of decimal, so you have written 1. 2 and 1 equal to 3. Result addition is 3. So after 3 places of decimal, you will put the value. So if you multiply this by 1, then 1 1 the 1, 0 0 0 1 into again by 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now if you add this, what result you will get? 1 1 0 0 1 1. So after 3 places of decimal, so here after 3 places the place will be here. Therefore the answer is 110.011. Okay. Now new exercise 2.7, and it is a division of decimal numbers. Now the sum is decimal related to division related to decimal numbers. So what you will do, it is a 0.4 and you know that it is 10th place. So here the first one, that means the dividend is decimal number and the divisor is whole number. So no problem. 4 by 10 divided by, you can write 2 by 1, and you know that when you are dividing any number, the numbers, the divisor will become reciprocal. So 4 by 10 you have done this before also. 1 by 2. So if you cancel, you will get 2. So what will be the result? The result will be 2 by 10, or you have to give it as a decimal place value, so 0.2. And this is the answer. Next question is 2.48 divided by 4. So 2.48, remove point as it is 100 place, so 100 divided by 4 by 1, 248 by 100. Make this reciprocal, 1 by 4. 4 you can divide 248 to 6, 4 6 ja, and 4 2 ja. So it will be 62 by 100, and the result will be after 2 places of decimal, so 0.62. 100 place 0.62. Next sum is, next one is 651.2 divided by 4. You can write in this way: 651.2 0.2 instead of 0.2, as it is 10th place of decimal after 0.1 place, so it is 10th place of decimal, divided by 4 by 1. So 6 5 1 2 by 10 into, make its reciprocal, 1 by 4. Now you can cancel. 4 1s are 4, 15, 4 3s are 12. Sorry, one, you are dividing 6512 by 4, and you are getting, if you want to divide, you can divide in the rough side also. You are dividing 4 1 ja 4, 2 5, that means 25, 4 6 ja 24, 1 carry, so it is 11, so it will be 4 2s are 8, and then it is 32, so it will be 4 8s are 32. The result is 1628. So the result is 1628 by 10. 10 was there in the denominator. So 162.8 after decimal, 10th place of decimal. So from the right side, 1 place. This is the answer. Now question number 2. Here you have to divide the numbers, the decimal numbers, by 10 or multiples of 10. You know that when you are multiplying the numbers by 10 and 10 multiples of 10, the decimal point was moving right side as the numbers become larger. Now when you are dividing any number, then the numbers are 10. Then when you are dividing any number, the numbers become less than the previous number. So the decimal number will move left side. Now how many places? Now this time the decimal number, as you are dividing, the decimal number will move left side, and it is 1 0. So 1 places of decimal, the decimal number will shift. So from here the decimal number will shift in this place. So the result will be, you know, the result will be 0.48 as the decimal number placed in before 4. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 52.5 divided by 10. The same way decimal point will move right side, and how many places? 1 place. So only here the point will come here only. So the result will be 5.25. It was before 52.5. Now as you are dividing it, it will become less. Now it is 52 become 5 now. 5.25. In the same way you will divide this one also, and as you are dividing it by 10, that means 10, so the decimal point will move here. The result will become 3.31. Next sum, if you do this one, say again you are dividing it by 10, and the decimal points will move left side, and 1 place as 10, so 1 place it will come here in front of 3, so the result will become 0.397. In question number 6, 0.56 divided by 10. The same way the decimal point will already it was before 5 6, then it has to move left side 1 place, so the result will be 0.056. Okay, you will have to practice this kind of sums. Thank you, students.